morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 8:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, June 5th, 2021. Okay, this is not financial advice. This video is intended for educational purposes only. Twitter.com link below if you'd like to subscribe to understand where I'm entering and exiting any particular crypto, as well as staying up to date with my latest videos. Click the subscribe button below. So let's go straight into the graph allocation. It's 20% in cash, 80% in the graph. Where am I at? Well, let's see. I'm at various entry points at various allocations. So I still have to put one in the kitty so that I'm 100%, and then I strap in. So let's see. Potential entry points are right over here. Let's see. Condition 1. So I've changed this up a little bit. I'm going to go in again. If I see the graph Bitcoin pair hit 2100 or less, which might be right here, right now, just given a little bit of volatility with Bitcoin, I think I will then go in at I'll take another stab at the graph, one last one at the price. Why? Take a zoom out, look at what's going on with the graph. It is being so widely adopted. This thing is clearly in the path of greatness. So, you know, one of my favorite faves of the crypto space. Now let's move forward into the markets. Where are we at? Well, with 77.5 cents, big whoop-de-doo. We've been just, you know, boggling and banging around in this range here. Nothing really compelling on this chart whatsoever, but I expect us to get back into that range. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 36,000. We were down at the low end of 35,000 moments ago. Why? Because the Flapper, I think that's his new name. The Flapper just came out. And he responded to someone's tweet. The original tweet said, "Where did we go wrong?" That comes from some dude, Fred. Elon responds, "Is a hell of a drug." Okay, and then he laughed. And that's what's really moving the market down. Folks, seriously, when did small talk ever become such a big deal? This is just so annoying. So anyway, that's what's going on. That happened last night. People are waking up to it. You know what? This is so ridiculous, honestly. I'm so done with Elon, and I'm honestly, that's the last special last night that I'll ever do again on Elon, because the more he opens his flap, we start to see that, you know, his impact is not that big of a deal in the end. Let's look at the shorter term action here. This happened, like, I guess people started waking up at 4 in the morning, who knows, or wherever they are. So they see that little tweet. Maybe this is why, but I mean, it's the only thing that's happening right now is that tweet. So it took it from 37 and change. We were almost at 38, all the way down to 35, almost 10%. He's trying to see how effective his 10% is, and he'll continue to do that until he realizes that his tweets won't impact things anymore. So we'll see what happens. We went down below this triangle. We went back into the triangle. This is the triangle. To remind everyone on the zoomed out view, and we're back inside where those crosshairs are. All right, so let's see what happens. I don't care if we break down here, because we still have this giant, much stronger line of support. If this little short-term support line on the triangle is strong, well, let me tell you something. This is way stronger. So I am not at all. I don't think he could even take it down. If he did 100 tweets today bashing it, I don't think he could take this thing down. Anyway, so moving on to the graph relative to Bitcoin pair, GRTBTC. Well, I've said I will take a stab if this thing goes down to 2100 or less. Let's take a look. Do I need to buy any? Let's see. No, hit 2122, rally back up. Actually, I saw this right before the video, so full disclaimer here. But, I just want to see if it may have gone further down. So it looks like at 749, it did hit 2121. It came back up, 2155. Let's see what happens here. I might be able to get another dip like we had the other day. So, time will tell. In the meantime, let's keep our eye on the market. Everything looks good. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I'm bullish on GRTBTC overall. I'm hoping for a little pullback. I feel like this is max pain down here right now at the 2050, 2030 range. Let's see how it plays out. Anyway, I'm out. We'll catch up tomorrow. Take care.